Who is Elena, Jax? Is she your sister too?
We're signed a contract. We're hanging out. We're having fun. Why does a name on a tag change the last 6 months?
Because I thought hanging out meant building something, not being a placeholder while Elena is out of town.
Are you expecting your sister? Jax? Open up, Cherie. I lost my key in Paris. She's beautiful. Does she know about your interior designer? I'm unlocking it.
Wait, what are you doing?
Opening the door. Jax? Who is this?
Elena, I can explain. Chloe she was leaving.
Drop this. I'm Chloe, the woman who's been sleeping on your side of it for 6 months. Excuse me?